In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Photos Memories feature. This feature allows you to revisit special moments captured in your photos and videos. Let's get started by opening the Google Photos app on your iPhone or iPad. You will find the app icon on your home screen. Once you tap on it, you will be taken to your photo library. This is where all your memories are stored and organized. Remember, having your photos backed up is crucial for preserving those precious moments. So make sure your Google Photos app is synced with your device to access all your memories easily. Next, tap the Photos option at the bottom of the screen. This action will direct you to the Photos tab where you can see all your images and videos in chronological order. It's essential to navigate through this tab as it serves as the gateway to your memories. The Memories feature will highlight significant events and moments from your photo collection. This is a great way to relive experiences, whether it's a trip, a gathering, or just everyday moments that matter. At the top of the Photos tab, you will see memories displayed prominently. Tap on a memory to view it. When you do this, you will be greeted with a curated collection of photos and videos from that time. This step is vital because it allows you to immerse yourself in those moments. You might notice that Google Photos groups memories based on dates, events, or themes, making it easier to find what you're looking for. While viewing a memory, you can interact with the photos in several ways. Tap the left or right side of the screen to move between photos. This simple action lets you navigate through the images effortlessly. You will see the photos transition smoothly, giving you a delightful visual experience. This feature enhances how you engage with your memories, allowing you to reminisce without interruption. If you wish to explore even more memories, swipe left or right to switch to another memory. This means you can quickly transition from one collection to another, discovering new moments with just a flick of your finger. It's a seamless way to journey through your past. Such easy navigation ensures that you can enjoy those captured moments without hassle. Touch and hold the screen to pause on a photo. This allows you to take a closer look at the details. By doing this, you can reflect on the emotions tied to that particular moment. You might notice expressions, places, or items that spark joy. This feature is particularly useful when you want to share a memory with someone or just savor the moment for a little longer. When you're finished viewing your memory, tap Close, represented by the X icon. This action will take you back to the previous screen. It's reassuring to know that your navigation is simple and user-friendly. Now let's customize your memories for a more personalized experience. Open the Google Photos app once again. Next, tap on your profile picture, found in the top right corner. This will bring up your account settings. Personalization is important because it allows you to tailor your experience based on your preferences. Now tap Google Photos Settings. This will lead you to various options that let you fine-tune how memories are displayed. Then tap Preferences and select Memories. Here you will have several choices to make regarding your memories. From here, you can choose which memory types are shown. You can also hide specific people, pets, or dates from appearing in your memories. This feature is important because it helps you curate your experiences, ensuring you see what matters most to you. Additionally, you can turn memory notifications on or off, giving you control over how often you are reminded of your past moments. Note that Google Photos automatically creates memories from your backed up photos and videos. It highlights trips, events, and other meaningful moments. You can also edit memory titles, share memories, or add the Google Photos Memories widget to your iPhone home screen if you're using iOS 14 or later. This final step enhances your interaction with your memories, allowing you to keep them close at hand. Enjoy using the Google Photos Memories feature.